first phrase goes over the E progression. Okay, and here we play. Okay, and this is a reoccurring lick, so once you master that, you're going to be using it a few times. So we're using on the 12th fret an octave of the low and high E. We hit both the low and then the high E, and then immediately a bend on the 14th, a quarter bend. And then we go to 12th, we do a bend there. Both quarter bends. Now if you don't get the bends in, that's okay too. It still sounds good. I like to bend it a little bit, so it's up to you how you do that. On the tab it is a bend. And then we'll go to the D14. And then we slide from D12 to 14. Then to G12 and G14. And then we'll do a full bend. Release, pull off to 12. Back to D14, G14, just roll it, and a vibrato here on a G12, okay? Alright, so that is the first one. Then we're going to repeat the first part of that for the second phrase, just to the D14, and then we're going to slide. We're going to slide to G16. And come to rest on a B15 and a vibrato.